Discounting, couponing. Well, if you ask me, those might as well be four-letter words. You see, I truly believe that your prices are set because you are worth the amount of money that you're charging. I'm sure as a shop owner, you've done a competitive market analysis and you carefully calculated what price you should charge based on where you're located, what your labor should be, even your parts markup. But does discounting happen, and is it necessary in some cases? Of course it is. It's absolutely going to happen. But with TEKMETRIC'S discounting capabilities, it doesn't have to be one size fits all. You see, you can apply a discount on the entire RO if you want to. You can do it on just that one individual job line. You can even narrow it down to remove just the RO fees if you have to on a particular repair order. You can do so on the estimate screen, even at the time of checkout if a customer brought something in when they come to pick up. You can set those standard discounts: military, senior citizen, first responder, friends and family. Make it seasonal. You can have a Memorial Day, 4th of July, a back to school special. Because once you've entered those into TEKMETRIC, you can then pull those same promotions next year and reuse them again based on the effectiveness that you look at in your discount reporting. You see, once you apply one of these, you can pull them up at a moment's notice with a breakdown of how much was taken off of labor, how much was taken off of parts, even how much was taken off the RO fee, the sublet, and what particular repair order was this used on. If you want to drill down even further, take a look and make sure that when it was used, it followed your shop processes and it wasn't given to somebody that it really shouldn't have been given to. If you want to download it and export it based on a specific date range, well, feel free to do so. So we may not all be fans of coupons or discounts, but they do happen. So let TEKMETRIC help you modernize your shop and maximize your profitability with our discounting and reporting functions.